Okay, I'm going to be doing a demonstration using multiple uh, slits, diffraction with multiple slits. Basically, what I'm trying to reproduce is what they show in the textbook as um, this image, and you can see when there's only two slits, you get this pattern here. When there's three slits, you get this same pattern, but there's a little bump in between. They call it a secondary maximum. And then uh, when you have four, you'll see two of these little secondary maximum bumps. And then when there's five, you'll see three of them. And just to it's not going to come out clear on the video, but this is there's two slits. You can see the maximums, and then there's three slits, and you can see there's the primary maximum. Then there's a secondary maximum, and there's only one with uh, uh, four slits. There's you can see the primaries, they're real bright, and then you can see the two. I know that photograph is just with a camera phone, so the photographs aren't that great. And then this is even blurrier, but this is with five slits, and you can see the primary maxima and the secondary one, two, three, one, two, three. You can see those. And let's go back up to the uh, image, and you can see those three secondary maxima. And this is the diffraction, the multiple slits. You can see the little laser going on the five. You can see there's two slits, three slits, four slits, and five slits. And the slit width is 0.05. Um, I'm sorry, 0.04 millimeters, and the D, the spacing between them is 0.125. Now let's uh, stop the share and let's go to the laser. Uh, let's see, I think it's already at 5. Let's go to 2 to see the progression. And there's 2, and you can see that there's oh, I'm sorry, I was set up to record my face. Let's see if I big I can make it. There. There's 2 slits. Now we go to 3 slits. And I can see it. I don't know that you can see it on the screen. There's a little secondary maxima on the in between each. This is 4, and it's a little blurry, but there are 2 little secondary maxima between the primary, and here's 5, where it's kind of washed out, but there's 3 little bumps in between. That's why I knew it wouldn't come out very well on the video, so that's why I showed you the photographs beforehand. Okay, well that's it for this demo. We'll stop it.